Sent, let's say wrongly sent. Hello. So do we say wrong send or wrong sent? Both are wrong. Why? Handa na ang bahay para sa lupungin ng bagong batch ng housemate. No loading and unloading, violators will be fine. So here folks, when we say violators will be fine, it means they will be okay, they will be alright. But this is a passive sense. When we say passive sense, we use the auxiliary verb be. So if we form a passive sentence, be must be followed by the past participle of the main verb. So here, be is the auxiliary verb, fine is the base form of the verb, so we need to use the past participle, so we say be fine. Shout out to my boss for suggesting.
Ito na. Waiting na tayo, anak, sa ano? Waiting na tayo sa rice. Nandiyan na yung mga inasal.
Nakaka-fresh ang hindi mag-worry about your eyes. Kahit paulit-ulit din siya. Okay, galing mo, Pampers. Now, with more lotion than aloe, kaya protected from rashes.
Nag-lotion nito dati, anak nang nalagyan.
Iba ka, maliit naman.
Tubig. Pawis.
Hindi.
At amoy
Sino pa din?
Yan mo naman siyang inumin nila. Kaya brave na. Nagtatanggal naman siya sa unang bawal pa lang. Long lasting perfume pa. Breathe. Excited mo sa color today? Sisiyo or buhok tomorrow? Not me. I'm Switch. Handy supplement conditioner with provitamin and collagen. Happy hair damage. Kaya sa long shiny hair, picture ko, it's not light, it's anti. First week's today. Now, eating breakfast with Lady's Choice Chicken Breast. Plus, a beef chicken and collagen. Sarap ng chicken.
Iwan lang siya. Cocoa butter.
Upgraded Axe Body Spray. Bust odor up to 48 hours. Smell irresistible. Bust odor up to 48 hours. Smell irresistible. Axe.
Motherland July.
Mitsubishi X-Force.
Okay.
Prescribed Global, vitamins that help relieve nerve damage and regenerate the nerves. Para tulungan pagkasan ang simptomas ng nerve damage. Global B-Vitamins.
Huwag hayaang matapon.
Enter the Caraverse from Please. With the power of 3 times the keratin gives you ultimately straight.
Hindi, naiwan ang
Isang patay sa Northern Mindanao dahil sa mga pagkulang dulot ng kabagat, ayon sa National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. Sinamantala ng malawakang pagulan at sinalanta ng malawakang pagulan ang maraming lugar sa Visayas at Mindanao na nagdulot ng mga pagbaha at landslide. Ilang residente na pagulan ng bumuhong